So this is the results of our Android Salesforce.com admin application challenge. Now we had a couple of submissions, but the winner went to Superfell. He submitted a great application that met all the requirements and actually had more functionality than the iPhone version that we did for the challenge. So I'm going to walk through his submission. I've got it running locally on my emulator, and I will show that real quick. So I've already started the process on my emulator to log into Salesforce. I've entered my username and a password, and it uses OAuth, so now I have to go ahead and approve the request. So go ahead and approve that. It's going to log me in. It's going to show me the recent users, and now I can do search by name. So I may want to put Douglas. I can search, or I'll search for everybody, give everybody back, and I can go and click on each one of these users and look at the details. If you're using the 2.2 version of Android, it'll actually pull in your chatter photo and some other things too. So let's go back here, and we'll go look at Dave's, and we get some information about Dave. We get his name, his chatter photo, his title, username, email, phone, some mobile information, and then we can also set him as active. We can reset his password, and then also clone this user. So I'm going to go ahead here first. We're going to go ahead and deactivate Dave just because I like doing that. So here's actually I'm logged in as Dave, so I'm going to hit refresh right here, and you can see that logged in as Dave, and I can get to this page. So I go back to my emulator and I deactivate Dave. You'll get the confirmation that the active status was updated. Now if I go ahead and hit refresh, it says your account has been disabled. So let me go back in here and reactivate Dave. So he's updated, and now I can refresh him. This would be nice for a mobile administrator when you want to lock somebody out of their org temporarily. So I can also go ahead and set a password reset. So I can go to my Gmail account. I have nothing in my Gmail account now, and I'm going to go ahead and reset Dave's password. And it's set to my email address here. So now if I go back to Gmail, there's my password reset. It also has a clone user function, but it's not the best thing to show during the demo, so I'm just going to skip that one, but it works like a champ. There's some things around I have to do, but I think overall it's a great submission. I think a lot of administrators who use Android are going to love this tool.